Most people are trapped in a cycle they don't even recognize: wake up, work, escape, repeat. They trade their time for money, their dreams for comfort, and their potential for distractions. One day, they wake up and realize they've run out of time. But by then, it's too late. The world taught you that as long as you have fun on weekends and pay your bills on time, you're doing fine. But deep down, you know something is missing. You feel it when the silence creeps in, when the notifications stop, when the laughter fades, when you're alone with your thoughts. That ache in your chest, it's the weight of an unlived life, because you weren't born just to survive. You were born to create, to build, to leave something behind that proves you were here. But instead, you scroll through life, distracting yourself from the fact that time is slipping through your fingers. Did you know that your brain releases dopamine every time you check your phone? It tricks you into thinking you're achieving something, but in reality, you're just numbing yourself. The same way a drug addict reaches for a fix, most people reach for distractions because facing reality is too painful. But here's the truth: no one is coming to save you. No one will wake you up one day and say, "Hey, it's time to start living." That moment will never come unless you create it. Imagine this 10 years from now. You look back and realize you wasted another decade doing the same thing. You feel the same regrets. You make the same excuses. And worst of all, you can't rewind. Every second you waste is a second you'll never get back. You say you'll start tomorrow, but how many times have you said that before? How many years have passed while you waited for the right time? Newsflash, there is no right time. There is only now. What's stopping you? Fear? Comfort? The idea that you have time? You don't. The clock is ticking. Your future self is either going to thank you or hate you. The choice is yours. Stop settling. Stop waiting. Stop making excuses. This is your wake-up call. Your future self is begging you to stop playing small, to stop wasting time, to stop settling. Because one day, you won't get another tomorrow. But let's go deeper. Why do people settle? Why do they let the days blur together until suddenly years are gone? It's because they've been conditioned to. Society has programmed people to live in survival mode, to just get by, to fear change. Psychologists call this learned helplessness. When people fail enough times or experience enough disappointment, they start to believe that nothing they do will change their situation. So they stop trying. They settle into routine, convincing themselves that this is all life has to offer. But here's the thing: you are not helpless. The chains holding you down are imaginary. The limits you think exist, they were put there by your past, by your doubts, by the people who never dared to dream bigger. Break them. You don't need permission to start. You don't need to wait for motivation to strike. Motivation is fleeting. It's action that creates real change. You don't feel inspired and then act. You act and then inspiration follows. Do something uncomfortable today. Do something that scares you. Because growth doesn't happen in comfort. Ask yourself this: if today was your last day, would you be proud of how you lived, or would you wish you had more time? Because time is the one thing you can never get back. Every day wasted is gone forever. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to keep living on autopilot? Keep numbing yourself with distractions? Keep telling yourself that one day you'll change, even as the days slip by? Or are you going to take control? Because the truth is, no one is coming to save you. No one is going to hand you the life you want. You have to build it. Right now, today, not tomorrow, not someday, now. Because if you don't, one day you'll wake up and there won't be any more time left. So stop waiting, start living.